Hey, what's up, friends? I'm Randy Darrell, the Salad Man. And if you're looking for new ways to lose weight or even maintain a healthy lifestyle, you're in the right place. You're at the right channel. Over the last 12 months or so, I've lost over 50 pounds, and I could tell you it wasn't by starving myself. It wasn't by going on some crazy type of diet where you're going hungry all of the time, as it wasn't by going under the knife. I did it a different way, and I'm certain that anyone could do it how I did it. A huge part of that was by eating salads. A lot of folks don't really understand the power of the salad, so today I wanted to talk to you about two surprising benefits of eating salad. Salads aren't just a boring pile of lettuce. They can give you superpowers. Now, okay, maybe not fly through the sky superpowers, but definitely the kind that make you feel lighter, healthier, and more energized. Today I'm sharing two surprising benefits of eating salads that you might not have thought about. Here we go. Benefit number one. Now, salads help you feel full without feeling heavy. Think about it. When you load your plate with fresh greens, cucumbers, tomatoes, and maybe even some grilled chicken, I'll stop it when I'm getting a little excited, all right? But you're filling your stomach with fiber and water-rich foods. That means you're staying satisfied longer, but without that crash you might get from fried or processed foods. Ever notice how after eating fast food, you're ready for a nap, but after a salad, you feel like you could actually do stuff? Heavy processed food is gonna simply bog you down a bit. When you're eating something like natural, living food, it's gonna wake you up, it's gonna bring you up, it's gonna, bring your body alive. That's a huge difference. Now, let's go along to benefit number two. Before we do that, what's your go-to salad topping? Is it crunchy croutons, maybe avocado, or maybe even a sprinkle of cheese? Drop your answers in the comments below. I love to get some new topping ideas, especially from when I'm making these creative salads for you guys. So again, drop the comments below. Okay, now let's go along to benefit number two. Salads can sneak in your daily dose of vitamins and minerals. Every bite is like nature's multivitamin. Spinach gives you iron, carrots gives you beta carotene for healthy eyes, and those juicy tomatoes, they're loaded with lycopene, which is great for your heart. And the cool part is you don't even have to think about it. Just mix the colorful veggies together, a fruits of course, and a little dressing, and boom, you've got a nutrient-packed meal that tastes fresh and full of fun to make. Now, if that wasn't enough, in addition to making you feel full and giving you all of the minerals and vitamins your body needs, salads taste great. I mean, look here. If you like nuts, you add nuts to your salad. If you like tomatoes, you add some tomatoes to that salad, even fried green tomatoes. If you like pumpkin seeds, why not pumpkin seeds added to the salad? Some people get it a little confused and like, hey, salad man, you know, the salad guy is all about salad, but I like meat. If you like breast strips, add some breast strips to your salad. So you can always make it fun, and you can make it in a way you actually love the taste. So there it is. Salads help you feel full without feeling weighed down, and they load you up with your essential vitamins and minerals in the tastiest possible way. If you found this to be helpful, give this video a like and subscribe, because each week I'll be dropping more fun salad facts and healthy tips to help you feel your best. Until later, I'm Randy Darrell, the Salad Man, and I'll see you on the next video.